Hello, welcome to the Early Years Singing Assembly. Let's start by putting our hands up in the air and going, hello, hi, hello, low, hello, hi, hello, low, hello, loudly, hello, quietly, hello, loudly, hello, quietly, hello, slowly, hello, fast. Hello, slowly. Hello, fast. Hello, popcorn. Hello, chewing gum. Hello, popcorn. Hello, chewing gum. Right, let's sing I've Been Counting Tigers. Do you remember this one? I've been counting tigers. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Down at the tiger zoo. Arr. Can you do me a tiger? Arr. Maybe a stripy tiger. Arr, stripy. Lovely. I've been counting tigers down at the tiger zoo. When you're counting tigers, it's a very hard thing to do. They don't want to be counted. They just run away. Can you make your fingers run away? How many tigers can you count today? And then we're going to go 5. Oh, one's gone. 4. Oh, that one's hidden as well. 3. Oh dear, it's run away as well. 2. Oh, there's only one left. Oh no, he's gone. They will run away. Let's have a go. I've been counting tigers down at the tiger zoo. When you're counting tigers, it's a very hard thing to do. They don't want to be counted, they just run away. How many tigers can I count today? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh dear. What should we count next? Why don't we go over to let's go to the monkey enclosure. That will be fun. Go and count monkeys. I've been counting monkeys down at the monkey zoo. When you're counting monkeys, it's a very hard thing to do. They don't want to be counted, they just run away. How many monkeys can I count today? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh dear. What should we count next? How about lions? Should we count lions? I've been counting lions down at the lion zoo. When you're counting lions, it's a very hard thing to do. They don't want to be counted, they just run away. How many lions can I count today? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh dear. How about, could we count some crocodiles? I've been counting crocodiles down at the crocodile zoo. When you're counting crocodiles, it's a very hard thing to do. They don't want to be counted, they just run away. How many crocodiles can I count today? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How about counting dinosaurs? I've been counting dinosaurs down at the dinosaur zoo. When you're counting dinosaurs, it's a very hard thing to do. They don't want to be counted, they just run away. How many dinosaurs can I count today? All the dinosaurs must have run away. Now, of course, the dinosaurs hadn't run away. There haven't been dinosaurs living on the planet Earth for millions of years. Millions! Before human beings even existed. So, you're not going to find them in a zoo, I'm afraid, but you might find some lions and tigers and monkeys and crocodiles. So, what else can we sing? How about we do our song about feelings, about feeling happy, and about feeling a bit sad, and about feeling a bit grumpy, and then about feeling excited. excited. Do you remember this one? Let's have a go. Today I'm feeling happy and I really don't know why. You can tell I'm feeling happy like a bright blue sky. My feelings are my feelings and I just like to say today I'm feeling happy. It's a happy day. Today I'm feeling sad and I really don't know why. You can tell I'm feeling sad like a rainy sky. My feelings are my feelings and I just like to say today I'm feeling sad. It's a sad, sad day. What comes next? Grumpy. Today I'm feeling grumpy and I really don't know why. You can tell I'm feeling grumpy like a cloudy sky. My feelings are my feelings and I just like to say today I'm feeling grumpy. It's a grumpy day. You know, today I feel excited and I really don't know why. You can tell I feel excited like a rainbow in the sky. My feelings are my feelings and I just like to say today I feel excited. It's an exciting day. Lovely. How about we do our rhyme about bananas? Now, do you remember this one? First, we have to unite. So we're going to join everything together. Bananas of the world unite. Then we're going to, oh, not like that, isn't it? Their fingers together. They've made a chain. Bananas of the world unite. Then we're going to pick the bananas. Pick bananas. Then we're going to peel the bananas. Peel bananas. We're going to chop bananas. Chop bananas. We're going to mash with our mashers. Then we're going to blend with a blender. You put the bananas into the food processor, put the lid on, hit the button and it goes yeah, so we're going to blend bananas. Then we're going to pour. Then we're going to drink. And then we're going to say go bananas. And then we're going to finish with bananas of the world unite. So take your finger and your thumb, join them together just like a chain. Can't be broken. Right, here we go. Are you ready? Bananas of the world unite. Pick bananas, pick bananas, peel bananas, peel bananas, chop bananas, chop bananas, mash bananas, mash bananas, pour bananas, pour bananas, drink bananas, drink bananas, go bananas, go bananas, bananas of the world unite. Lovely. Should we have another go? Should we try and go a tiny bit quicker, a bit faster, yes? Okay, here we go. Bananas of the world unite. Pick bananas, pick bananas, peel bananas, peel bananas, chop bananas, chop bananas, mash bananas, mash bananas, blend bananas, blend bananas, pour bananas, pour bananas, drink bananas, drink bananas, go bananas, go bananas, bananas of the world unite. Phew! Well done. Did you manage to do all that in the same speed? I'm quite impressed by that. Right, let's have a look. We've done I've been counting tigers. We've done the feeling song. We've done bananas of the world unite. Do you remember Miss Polly? Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at Miss Polly and he shook his head. He said Miss Polly put her straight to bed. He wrote a prescription for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning. Yes, I will. Let's have a go at that. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote a prescription for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will. There. Should we have one more go? Okay, here we go. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote a prescription for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will. How about we finish off with one of our absolute favourites, 5 Little Firemen. Here we go. 5 little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they go. Up on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink the fire is out. How many now? 4? 4 little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, shh, they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink the fire is out. And how many now? 3? 3 little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, shh, shh, they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink the fire is out. And 1 less than 3 is 2. 2 little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, shh, 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 they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink the fire is out. And if you take 1 away from 2, you get 1. 1 little fireman standing all alone. 1, shh, 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 he goes. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink the fire is out. And if he goes away, we've got none, naught, nil, 0, nothing. No little firemen standing on a row. 1, shh, 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 shh. I did that wrong, didn't I? Let's do it properly. No little firemen standing all alone. Shh, 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 shh. They go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink the fire is out. There we go. Let's finish up by putting our hands up in the air and going, goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast. Goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum, goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum. See you next time.